Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to the episode 2 of our unboxing series. In episode 1, we unboxed the young shoemaker. We looked at the lazy man from the young shoemaker. A wonderful experience. If you haven't seen that video yet, please, I encourage you to check on the next video after this in the description or on the channel. You'll get to find that for yourself. Today, I have another amazing shoe brand that I've come to love. This shoe brand is a reference to a lot of shoemakers around the world. I remember for me, when I started this whole love for men dress shoes, was a brand that I always dreamed of having. I always just would fantasize about it, and I was just hoping that one day I could have the opportunity to own a pair. And yes, we've had opportunity to own the pair, and it's incredible to just unbox this to you and just to tell you about the shoe. The brand I'm referring to is the Gaziano and Girling shoe, handcrafted in England. Two people, Dean Girling and Tony Gaziano, wonderful people, elite craftsmen, acumen for craftsmanship, top notch, beautiful people. And it's delightful to have something that emanates from their mental capacity and imagination to be unboxed today. This is also another present for me in my birthday bliss, so I'm excited to also talk about it. So let's go straight to the unboxing if you don't mind, because that's why we're here. So of course, on the face of the box, you first would see their official logo on there, handcrafted in England. And then you have here, Gaziano and Girling, handcrafted in England. You have the name of the shoe, which is the Gilbert. You have the black calf, the leather it was made out of. The last, which is the TG53. And then you have 10F, which is my size, like I've indicated earlier. Before I proceed, a shout out to Rico, Gaziano and Girling. Thank you, Rico, for being a generous and a kind person, and you're just a wonderful person. Thank you so much for your assistance and helping us to make this successful. So thank you, Rico, and thank you for the team of Gaziano and Girling. So when you take off the lid, off from it, the first thing you will come across is a wonderful handout letter. I don't know, it's a handwritten. It's called Principles of Making the Finest Men Wear Shoe in the World. And arguably, Gaziano and Girling is known to be the foremost and the best, shoemakers in the entire of the world. It's arguably, but I tend to believe so too as well. With their price range and all that they do, it's great. So they talk about their design, talk about their comfort, they talk about the made in England and the upper materials they use. They talk about their oak back sole, which is the sole they use, the Goodyear water construction, which is what they use, the other materials they use, the craft and the tradition, the finished products, the shoe care and the presentation, which it comes standardized with all the shoes. They're generous enough to give us 2 shoe bags. It has a very great feel. Comes like a Swedish, velvet gray, and it's just beautiful. Just luxury, speaking luxury, just screaming luxury all around. Beautiful, their logo on it, beautiful. And also, the shoes are finally here. You're just going to look at what it looks like. Woo! That's beautiful. So this is how it comes in, and this is the Gilbert for you, the Lizardman Gilbert from Gaziano and Girling. Just take them out of the box, put the box somewhere, and then we can talk about the shoes. We can talk about the shoes. All right, so there you have it, the Gilbert from Gaziano and Girling. Beautiful shoes. It's also an Oxford lazy man shoe with full-brogue. Unlike the yen, it doesn't come with a medallion on the toe, but Gaziano and Girling has lazy men with medallions on the toe. Amazing, they do amazing stuff. But this comes as elegant. I think the history behind the lazy man is from Winston Churchill. He had, just love the idea of the slip-on, the comfort it comes with it, and still maintaining the the classic wear as they can, so that it doesn't beat down its functionality. So there you have it. The upper, like indicated, is cuff, beautiful full grain cuff. The intricate details, the stitching on the uppers are beautifully done, neatly done together. The punches, great. It comes with, of course, the flex lacing on the side, as was the yen as well. Flex lacing on the side, which I'll do a comparison video between the two somewhere later, but I'll do a comparison video. But it comes on the side as well. This gives you a certain opening, with the illusion of the fact that these are real laces on the opening, as you can see for yourself here. Incredibly done, neatly put together. The flexing also happens on both ways. The unique thing about Gaziano and Girling, it's their seamless heels. The heel counters on the back, the seamlessness of it. Most shoes cannot achieve this, and you get to find this feature in a bespoke level shoe. But they are able to replicate that in their ready-to-wear, which is remarkable. Their leather heel stack is slightly, tilted and bent. Wonderful. The wood fudging on the sides, incredible. One of the features I love about Gaziano and Girling is their sole finishing. They have the beveling, on the sole of the shoe, the beveled waist and the beveled heel sole as well. It's the leather heel stack with the 1/4 rubber and all of that. This signature of this, this very butterfly-ish thing came from them. Just incredible people with wonderful craftsmen, and I love every bit of it. It's just incredible. Look at the sole. You don't want to even wear this to step on the ground. That's the honest truth, So it's incredible to have this, in your wardrobe. You can dress this with your suits, with your ties. Incredible shoe for yourself. I got it with this lasted shoe tree as well, and it's a recommendation for all of you if you're getting shoes or investing into a high value shoe. You want to also invest into a lasted shoe tree. But now there are new policies that every shoe you buy from the ready-to-wear collection comes with a standardized lasted shoe tree as part of the cost. This is it's a bit of a high side as compared to the yen shoemaker, but of course this is Gaziano and Girling on the Summer Row of London, crafting for King Charles and from prominent people around the world. These are bespoke people who have got the ideas down to ready-to-wear. You can't hardly find this thing. Regular. This is a very unique piece. They are the first people to introduce this, the Gilbert Oxford, that a lot of people have not done yet. Even on YouTube, I doubt somebody has done an unboxing on this yet. So it's an incredible shoe. I recommend for you to get from Gaziano and Girling, and you will not regret it. That's the honest truth about it. So beautiful uppers, good water construction, the beveled sole, leather heel stack, wonderful beveled heel. Whatever you have on, this gives you the comfortability of like a slip-on shoe, at the same time to maintaining the class that it has. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in as we have witnessed the beautiful Gilbert for ourselves and having to look at it. I gave it a bit of a high shine on the toe, so I hope they can see it. It's just a basic high shine on the toe and all of that. So recommended for you. Visit Gaziano and Girling's website for yourself, see the options they have, and you can get some wonderful pair for yourself and then maintain them for yourself and also for your children after you. And also it's essential for your wardrobe as a gentleman. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next episode of our shoe series unboxing. Thank you.